Want to monetize your YouTube channel but struggling to hit 4,000 watch hours? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to complete 4,000 watch hours, step by step. Step 1. Create longer videos. YouTube loves long-form content. Try making videos that are at least 8 to 10 minutes long. Why? Because the longer the video, the more time people spend watching, boosting your total hours. Step 2. Focus on watch time, not just views. It's not about getting thousands of views, it's about keeping people watching. Add hooks at the beginning, storytelling in the middle, and strong CTA at the end. Step 3. Upload consistently. 1 video a week is great, but 2-3 videos per week, even better. Consistency keeps your audience engaged and signals YouTube that you're serious. Step 4. Create playlists. Don't just upload random videos. Group them into playlists. This encourages binge watching, and guess what? Watch hours stack up faster. Step 5. Go live. Live streams count towards your watch hours too. Even a 30-minute live session can give you a big boost, especially if your viewers stick around. Step 6. Repurpose old content. Have older videos with some views. Update the title, thumbnail, and description. Reshare them in your community tab or social media to bring in fresh watch time. Step 7. Use analytics. Check where people are dropping off in your videos. Fix that part, maybe it's too slow or boring. Keep improving with every upload. Step 8. Promote smartly. Share your videos in relevant Facebook groups, forums, WhatsApp, or Telegram channels. But don't spam, share only where it adds value. Hitting 4,000 watch hours isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Follow these tips, stay consistent, and you'll be monetized before you know it. Hit that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks, and I'll see you in the next one.